Okay, so today's topic, what we plan to discuss, I thought of completing is here, basic controlling settings. So this controlling area setting, as we are for FICO, Simple Finance FI plus CO, both together. As a part of integration, basic settings for controlling also should be done to complete our org structure. So here we will not discuss much. Will not discuss much. The reason is these particular topics we'll discuss again at the time of our controlling area or controlling content. When we go to controlling module, we will discuss again these topics. But still, if you have any doubts, you can ask. I'll tell you whether it's we can continue here or when we move further. Okay, so we will try to do basic controlling settings as a part of basic controlling settings. First one is maintain controlling area. We'll maintain the controlling area. What is this controlling area?
Maybe
What is this?
department, division, analysis.
Okay.
I mean, a part of chart of account. I mean, a company wants to do reporting on department, division, or analysis code.
Right. It's a simple, right? So it's a maintaining controlling area to do our analysis work for monitoring purpose. Okay. So for that reason, we maintain controlling area. Now, when we are maintaining controlling area, the same example will affect. Okay. So like, for example, controlling area, we can have 1:n relationship. 1:n relationship. 1:n mean to say one company code or one controlling area. One controlling area is to, we can maintain n number of company codes. Okay, so from one controlling area, we can maintain n number of company codes. Like for example, all these, whatever we discussed till now, can be routed under one roof of controlling area. Okay, in this, it's a 4 digits, ma. Don't go again with the 6 digits. It's a 4 digits. Okay, it's a 4 digit short name with the 4 digits. Now, all these area, whatever you are doing accounting for REH0, RED0 or RE00, or here if you observe BD00 or whatever, if you want to have one controlling area for analysis purpose, you can maintain one. Okay, so here first of all, we'll see basic steps. Maintain controlling area. If you're taking a notes, heading maintain controlling area, path SPRO, reference IMG, controlling. Okay. In a controlling, we have general controlling. Okay, T codes, let me put T codes. Okay, KP, OK, and K. Okay, Q are the three different steps we'll be doing over here. So here in the organization, maintain controlling area. Okay, KPT code. Okay, so what is controlling area? Okay, so here, if you want to assign the company codes of controlling area effects, then you should use the same chart of accounts and the same physical year variant. Like for example, what if you want to go through, you can go through at your leisure time. Here, in short, whatever we discuss, we can maintain a number of 1:n company codes. Okay, all these n company codes, more than one company code, if you are assigning in one controlling area, these company codes should carry same physical year variant. In our case, it should be V3 and chart of accounts RE00, whatever we created. It should carry same physical year as well as COA, and posting periods also, it should be same up to. Okay, then only we can maintain one controlling area. If not, if they are different, if their physical year chart of accounts are differing, then you can maintain two controlling areas, different controlling areas as per your requirement. Okay. So same thing, we will go for maintain controlling area over here. Maintain, again, maintain controlling area. Okay, it is saying logged by me. So I have just removed the log. Okay, now here new entries. We'll go for a new entries. See, controlling area is equal to company code. So it can be equal to company code. If not, you can create different also. In our case, first practice, we'll never create different one. So let us create RE00 or 1000. Or 1000. Any number which we can easily remember. 1000, if you observe in a position button before this new entry, you could have found many 1001, 1002. So I'm selecting RE00.
Madam,
Mhm.
sorry to cut you. Can we use the same example that Tata Motors we were using? So I mean, it will be better. As you wish. This one is also fine, but we started our setup through Tata Motors actually.
Sure, Tata TM00 we started.
Correct.
Oh, I'm sorry then. Then why didn't I find this Tata Motors? I'm so sorry. Whose Reliance I changed bichare. Okay, 1 second, wait. Okay, it's not there. 1 second, ma. Give me a moment. Okay, TM00 is yours, you mean to say, right?
Yes, ma'am. We were going with this example. So
This example, right? Okay.
correct, correct.
Thank you. Okay, we'll go with this only. I'm so sorry to give you with a different example since then, but just it's a kind of example only. Just replace here Tata then. Okay.
No worries, madam. I mean, the concept wise, I understood.
Okay, right? Okay, chalo. Then we'll go for maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area here. New entries. TM00. Okay, we'll create TM00. Tata Motors controlling area. Okay, we can give like this. Tata Motors controlling area. TM00. Company controlling area is equal to company code. Now, here, again, you need to check with your concept. Okay, assignment control. Okay, in assignment control here, controlling area same as company code. This will be applicable if here RE00, we are going to maintain for one company code, which is RE00, or TM00, let us say TM00, TM00. Okay, one company, one controlling area. So one company code, sorry. Then one controlling area we can maintain.